The Filipino adverb or pang-abay bihira means rarely in English. Bihira. Bihira. Let us have the following example sentences. Bihira na lang kaming umakyat ng bundok. It means we rarely climb mountains anymore. Bihira is like rarely, kami is us, and then akyat means to climb, and then bundok is a mountain. Bihira na lang kaming umakyat ng bundok. Bihira na ang nakikitang ganoon kalaking pera. Seeing that much money is rare now. Bihira na, it's already rare. And then kita is like to see. Ganoon is like that. And then kalaki is like big or yes, big. And then pera, kalaking pera is that amount of like big money. Malaking pera. Bihira na ang nakikitang ganoon kalaking pera. Bihira siyang magdala ng cellphone sa loob ng klase. It means he or she rarely brings a cellphone inside the class. Bihira is like rarely. Siya is he or she, gender neutral. Dala is like bring. Cellphone, it's the same in English. Loob is like inside. And then klase is the class. Bihira siyang magdala ng cellphone sa loob ng klase. Bihira akong mag-abala na maghugas ng plato. I rarely bother to wash the dishes. Bihira is like rarely, ako is I, mag-abala is to like bother, and then hugas means to wash, and then plato are like the plates or the dishes. Bihira ako mag-abala na maghugas ng plato. Once again, the Filipino word bihira means rarely in English. Bihira. Bihira.